Hey everyone, it's Roast Beef. My name's Roast.
My name's Beef. We're playing Dogfight 2. This is we're playing game we found.
Yeah, it's like, so the aim of the game, you have to shoot down these planes.
Yeah, my turn.
Okay.
You use space to fire, control to drop bombs, so I'm not doing that because I might. Okay. I did.
Yeah. And then the arrows are moving.
Left and right arrows turns you.
Yeah, and then up goes up, and
but you don't need to.
Yeah, so the aim of the game is just to shoot down the planes, and then
Yay!
Go to the next level. You have 5 lives and 5 bombs in this. So you have to bomb this one.
I missed them. I got the planes. I got 2 planes.
Yeah. Oh yeah. It
Now
takes 2 bombs to
get the bomb.
Yeah. Here we go. Almost got this guy. If they have black, that means they're almost dead.
They're almost dead. This smart.
Yeah. And if you kill the
people, you get more.
Yeah, you get more points.
What?
Sometimes it doesn't. Oh, there. Oh, you're gonna. Oh.
God damn.
Yeah.
I'm still going though, because
let's see how good I can do.
I'm gonna get the planes first.
Yeah.
Basically, bring up my range.
There we go. And if you go into the clouds, it's cloud cover. Then it confuses them. Yeah. Yeah, we just found this game called Dogfight 2. It's the same website as Ragdoll.
Oh, damn.
It's really annoying.
I normally get through this one. I've gotten through this one at the first try.
Oh, yeah. I'm not sure if I have.
Dang, I got him again.
You got a plane. There we go.
Last bomb.
And 3 lives.
Dang. Okay.
It's good just to hold space because you have unlimited bullets.
Yeah.
Shoot the person.
No, I'm not going to try to. If I will, I can. If I can,
yes.
I will.
Ooh. And if you go too close to the ground and hit it, you die.
Now, we don't need to get the bomb I'm going to because it gets in the way.
Yeah. Because if you shoot it, it just gets really annoying.
But these guys you can't bomb because look.
Yeah, you have to just shoot them. But you can bomb the truck.
But there's no point. It's just a tag of opportunity, like the blimp. But there's no point trying to because it's much harder to get in the blimp.
Yeah.
There we go. Just 2 planes.
2 planes left.
One's almost dead.
One's a black. Yeah. Dead.
One's dead. Last one.
Last one. Oh.
See, I hate how even if you get them, I like this one behind enemy lines.
Yeah. Oh, you're almost dead.
Already? No.
It's those ground fire, which is annoying.
But if you do a ground dive, you can get them.
Yeah.
Good.
Yeah, you can just fly close to the ground, like these missions.
No, they're aced. They're tapped in.
Yeah. Oh.
Dang, last life.
Yeah. Then let's see how good I can do. Oh, you dropped 3. Oh my god. Wait! You dropped the bomb in it.
Wait, what? No.
Yes?
Nani?
I think I saw it. Maybe.
Yeah, I know. I don't know how to do that. That one I shot, though.
Yeah.
Now just see, look, they barely got wings.
You're on full health.
Wait, how do you know where my health is? My full, full.
Yeah.
I thought you said 4. I don't know what you were talking about.
Oh, no, because, you have none of that steam. Smoke. I mean, never mind. Sorry.
Okay.
Oh. Bombers.
Shoot down bombers. We've never gone in this far, though, right?
Where's the bomber? Oh.
Well, actually,
that's the bomber.
Those are bombers, and they have the rear guns.
Yeah.
Just like in World War II. You have to bomb bombers.
Yeah. Oh,
that's the big.
Okay, let's see how good I can do.
Hey.
ultimate
Score.
9,340.
On the tutorial, I only get 100. But that's because it's a tutorial. So that Dawn Patrol one, that's only a tutorial. What's it called? Play.
Level 1. Let's do this.
Wait, so... Oh, got one already. No damage. Nice. Get the guy, though. Oh, already jammed. You should, don't try to get the guy.
Yeah.
But if you can, do it.
Whoa.
We just had this weird kid come over, and he's like, "Are you recording on this piece of paper?" And I'm like, thumbs up.
Yeah, okay, this is, whoa, okay, I just need to get this guy, almost.
One more hit.
Oh, wait, I'll go high up, and then...
Oh, he's gotten you. Oh, you're missing.
This guy is so...
Oh, he was actually pretty good.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
You got him.
Here we go.
Nice. I don't know why it says you get another multiplier. You don't. You just stay on the life you're on. Or does it mean like damage? Oh look! ×2, so you get double score.
Oops.
Oh yeah. Don't press the win button.
Yeah.
Don't press Windows. 2 bombs. Oh, you crashed.
What?
Yeah,
Oh.
you can crash.
Yeah, I forgot about that. Okay, here we go.
We had another different kid come over this time, and he asked the same question, and I said, thumbs up. And
Yeah!
You got him, and you got one of the planes. Boom, boom, evasively.
Die, you guys.
It's so hard to, like, hit them, even when they're confused. That was the third kid. They're all different, too.
What did they all say?
They all just write on this piece of paper, "Are you recording?"
Is it like scribble out?
No.
They scribble it out?
No, they're on different pieces of paper.
Ah.
I already told you. He came back, that third one.
Die. Just gonna try and shoot down these planes. Then go to the cloud now.
Bomb the blimp. You want to get the blimp soon. Don't dive down into it.
Last life. Yeah, I'm not too good.
Nah, you're 8. Every time you die, your multiplier gets reset.
Oh, it does?
Yeah, so you don't get as much score. Drop him. Nice. That wasn't skillful. That was luck.
Yeah. Whoa, I'm almost gonna die.
You're almost done.
Yeah, I died.
Ugh, now it's roast.
Ugh. Yeah, not too good.
Look at them just flying around randomly. What, is that us? That's you. That's you.
AWSD.
Can you do WASD?
Wait, let's
Can we do WASD?
Let's see.
No.
Yeah. Okay. Ooh. Yeah, the first level's the easiest. Oh, you almost... Wait, what happens if... Can you get hit by your own bomb?
Yeah, I'll die.
Let's try it.
No, I don't want to die. You can do it.
Okay, I'll do it.
On your time.
Yeah.
Go away, guys.
People that keep coming. It's actually weird.
Okay, one dead.
First guy's right. Yeah, you're better at this game. But ragdolls.
You were good at that, but that's just because you built that weird death trap and you had heaps of time. Because I was doing my thing.
You're doing stuff.
I was busy.
Oh, you're black.
I know, but that's because he got that one hit on me.
Yeah. Do you have any bombs left?
Oh, 3, yeah, I do.
Yeah.
Dang, I also got...
Oh!
Oh, it gives you more point if it was a better drop.
Drop it now. Oh.
I can't.
Oh, yeah.
I've used them all.
Yes!
Don't die.
Oh.
Oh, I don't like this one.
Oh yeah, this one's so weird.
This one's hard, but I've done it.
But you're just trying to get the plane on a ground stuff. Oh, they don't shoot the ground fire. Doesn't shoot you if you're low.
Wait, you're low. Yeah, I know. Whoa, 12,000 for 1,200 for a drop. I've got no bombs left.
Yeah, you just have to shoot this guy down. He's on full health though.
No, he's not. Look at his wing.
Oh yeah. Oh, I heard he's gonna die. He's going down. He's going down. Yes. Oh. Or if you die in the last second, that'd be really bad.
So this is the one I got to.
Yeah.
So the bombers, you have to be
bomb
careful.
the bombers. Yeah.
I know.
Yeah, you have to dodge their bullets.
I wish I could go faster.
Yeah. No, you can if you just keep going straight.
No way, I don't have any bombs though. I have to shoot them. You can shoot them.
Oh yeah.
This one's got full health.
Oh.
Wait, I've still got 4 lives because I didn't lose any lives.
How about you just spam the bombs as soon as you get close? Oh. Yeah, you just shoot them. Drop a bomb. Now. Whoa. Okay, here we go. Wait, do people come out of the bombers? Yeah. Oh, yeah.
This one.
Yeah. Just this guy now. Yes. Almost. If you kill this guy. Next level. Yes!
I'm kind of better than you.
Yeah, you are. By a lot. Wingman.
You guys, protect your wingman. Oh, I have to protect them. Oh, yeah, I'm not
They
gonna...
just... They
They
even
just
shoot.
fly around.
They just fly around. Oh no, they do shoot. They're way better aim. They usually just fly. Oh no.
No, one of them
No,
died.
both
No,
of
they
them.
both died. Dang. Oh wait, I thought that was me in the
You got
green.
heaps of people.
No, I haven't used bombs.
This level's easy.
No, it's not. I'm pretty sure you're supposed to protect them. I might have failed.
Yeah. Maybe you are supposed to protect.
No, what?
What? Why did? Maybe it just gets you big.
2 ace pilots were protecting Bashful and shoot them down.
Oh, these guys must be good.
Wait.
Wait. Can you? Oh, those guys.
Oh, that's a
I
strong.
bet. You bombed them and they didn't die.
I know. They're strong. They're
Yeah.
ace pilots. 1, 2.
Whoa, is it ground fire?
Well, that's only
There's ground
opportunity.
fire. Oh, the trucks. Oh, there's another blimp. Oh,
Damn. Wait, do we have to get them or the balloons? Because that one said it's a target of opportunity.
whoa! You just flew through the.
Damn, last one.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna get it out
This
the way.
level's hard.
I know. Especially these trucks.
Yeah, they're. Oh, like those guys. They're so fast.
But they don't know what I'm doing because I'm doing low level depth.
Yay! Oh, 12,829.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Okay, bros, this is the last turn, I guess.
Yeah, we've
But
about
we'll have
1 minute.
We'll have another video.
Yeah.
Same day, today.
Yeah.
And if you're watching it,
Yeah.
today
okay, here we
for
go.
us is a Friday.
Yeah. Oh,
So-
level 6.
No, you're not doing. No, cheater.
What?
No, you're not doing that
Why?
because that's because of me. You can't do that.
But
It's a
it keeps
checkpoint.
level 6.
It's my checkpoint.
Fine.
So no, you're gonna die all the times, and you're gonna have another go. Okay?
Fine. And then I'll have
Cheater.
I'll kill myself.
No, just dive into the blood every time. Just
Mm.
cold right.
Yeah.
Oh, you might not have time for your turn.
Wow.
You don't have time. Cheater.
Yeah. Okay. We're
That
gonna
wasn't
end this
you.
now. See ya.
Signing off for now. See ya, guys.